Hey everyone, been a while since I posted a video. Been quite busy with life and doing things, but as I mentioned before, I'm gonna post if you guys want some videos on stuff or if you like my content. It'd be nice to know. So yeah, like and subscribe if you can. Anyways, I got a customer who has a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee, said that he cannot open his tailgate from outside, and I'm just going to show you a quick intro onto that and what I've done to fix it. So here we have, as you can see, it's not opening. And then when he hit the unlock button, for some reason it still wasn't working. I'm leaving this in a lock mode because I think his was just jammed, but in most cases if you go to open this and you can't, it's probably because the lock actuator is not working, and you can just flick and hear I can hear the back actuator working. So anyways, I'm leaving it locked. I'm going to go into the vehicle here, and if the vehicle lock actuator is stuck in lock, I've pulled the panel off the tailgate from the inside just to give you a better show of what's going on here. So normally you'd have your back cover coming across here. There would be two screws, one screwing into here and one screwing into here. So open your hatch glass, or come inside and pop that screw out there and there, and then you're going to try and reach and look down through the plastic panel, and you come down and take a look at this guy right here. So what we're looking at is the actuator, and when you hit the unlock on your button, this white piece right here, I think that focus, moves with the actuator. So that is locked. You flick unlock on your button, your door, this flicks up, and if I can get this in the shot, I'm kind of amazed. So what it does is it slides, as you can see, there's a piece right, sorry, bear with me. There, you can see that piece sliding back and forth. I'll show you a better image once we have this open. So what you're trying to do is reach your hand down right into here, and there's a little metal tab right here which you want to try and push that up like that. And if you can do that, that'll unlock and open your tailgate. Okay? Okay, and here is the panel I was mentioning. So that would be up on the inside there. You'd pop this screw out, and then you'd reach down, and that's where the mechanism would be, down in behind here. Now, if I open this tailgate, you'll get a better idea of what we're talking about here. So this piece here locks and unlocks. Like so. And like I said, if you can pull on this tab right here, that would unlock the whole attachment, and you'd be able to open your tailgate. And then you could replace your actuator right here. This is your actuator. And that would just need to get replaced. So it's a quick short video. Hopefully that might help somebody if they get in a pinch and they can't get the tailgate open. It's most likely because of the actuator. And this piece here. like I said, there it is, it pushes up. So what it's actually doing is this is sliding over, so when you do unlock your door, it pulls that lever up for you. And when you lock, it slides that black mechanism out, and it doesn't allow this piece to connect to this piece. As you can see, as when it's locked, those pieces are technically separated, and that is how your door does not pull that latch open, because it's locked. When you slide this over, this black piece comes in and it connects the two pieces together and allows you to open your tailgate. Sorry about the really quick and short video, and the fact that the camera angle wasn't the greatest to try and get it in there, but hope that gives you some kind of an idea of how to get that tailgate unlocked if you're ever stuck. Anyways, hope everyone's staying frosty and staying safe, and I'll be back whenever I get something else that's probably quick and convenient for you guys. And like and subscribe if you can, I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out, and we'll catch you later. Thanks.